I'm Dr. Manoj NY, Assistant Professor, Department of Media Studies, Ishri School of Liberal Arts. What does it mean to learn in the age of AI and machine learning, where algorithms anticipate our decisions before we make them, where the distinctions between human and machine, artificial and natural, life and non-life seems to be increasingly eroding? Can we understand the complex architecture of the contemporary technological world through traditional and rigid disciplinary paradigms? The answer is a big no. It enunciates a crisis in the epistemic ordering of disciplinary paradigms in 20th century. Contemporary problems demand the erasure of these disciplinary boundaries. For example, if you take AI is simultaneously technological, AI is philosophical, AI is social, political, economic, and at the same time ethical. Discourse on climate change covers geological, cultural, and mediatic components. Digital infrastructure is at the same time material, it has informational infrastructures, and at the same time it operates at the planetary level. So contemporary questions emerge between disciplines, or rather across disciplines, and its relation has become transversal. So understanding these new intersections requires new forms of thinking. Media studies at ESLA focuses on learning how to think across domains, how to connect ideas, and how to confront problems that exceeds existing framework. The question is no longer, what do you know? But how do we think amidst complex systems? Media are no longer single objects we study. They have become the environment in which we live. Every technology carries within it forgotten histories. AI emerges from years of attempt to automate thought. Digital network emerges from longer histories of communication, control, and technological imagination. So media studies at ESLA excavates these hidden genealogies and understand how the present has been assembled. In media studies, we don't differentiate between theory and practice. Rather, they are embedded in each other or imminent to the field of problems. Theory is the way of making sense of practice, and practice becomes ways of testing or even forging concepts against the world. Thus, we position ourselves as pioneers of problem-oriented inquiry. They demand the ability to think across disciplines while being grounded in creative and professional practice. The state-of-the-art media lab at ESLA is a space where critical thinking meets hands-on practice, a space where concepts and experience are entangled. Future is not something that simply arrives or that is being just merely anticipated. It's something that must be understood, it must be questioned, and it must be created. Media Studies program at ESLA provokes us to think the worlds we inhabit and imagine the worlds yet to come. So, Department of Media Studies at ESLA extends an invitation to participate in this creative process of learning.